Good morning, mi gente. July 19, 2023, and we are here in Rovaniemi, Finland. And we got here yesterday around 12:30ish in the morning. We did a midnight sun from here as well. And now we're ready to go and meet Rovaniemi. Bueno, mi gente, and we stayed at this hotel, which is called Santa Sports, which is an Olympic facility training for the Finland country. They got everything and everything, brother. They got training places, weightlifting, skiing. They got daycare. They got everything. And I guess during the summertime, they rent the place. It looks real nice and clean. It's like 4 stories high on this building, and they got some more like little apartments on the outside. So real nice. We got a good deal on it, and we decided to stay here for the night and spend the night in Finland. So make it work. Now we're going and see Rovaniemi as it is. Bueno, mi gente, we are going to Claus Village, and guess what? La abuela is looking rough right now with all the dirt and mosquitoes and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna give it a good cleanup the best we can, because she's meeting Santa Claus today from Finland, the North Pole. Let's go! Good afternoon, mi gente, and we are here in the Arthur Circle Center, Santa Claus Village. This is one of the places that everybody wants to come as well. You know, I never knew it existed, but YouTube and Google will do a lot of searching for you, and it becomes one of those places that if you do the Scandinavian countries, you must do. It's in Rovaniemi. I haven't been able to get that right, but I will get it right by the end of the day. So we just arrived. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So lots of people here. Let's see if we can meet Santa. If we're not, then we just keep going. Do a little tour of the place and see what it's all about. For now, let's continue our tour. It's a little bit raining, as you can see in the lens. All right, so we have arrived at Santa Claus Holiday Village. You got the reception, the restaurant, the Santa Claus Holiday Village, lobby bar, safari booking center. But I guess that's only during the winter time. Meet Santa here. Here we are. Let's go. The official Santa Claus of the Arthur Circle, and it is open.
Okay. 17 euros and 50 please.
All right, so we want to send some postcards, and on the live videos I said, hey, who wants the postcard from here and on the Arthur Circle, and luckily only 5 of you said yes. Okay, so here we are. So Maria and Jose Lopez, Mommy sending you a postcard from the Arthur Circle. Right here is the stamp. Maria and Jose. Pa. Second one. Claudia Ríos. ¡Yeah! Claudia. Va con su postcard también. Desde el Arthur Circle. Francisco y Matías. Francisco Matos. Su tía Alicia Fonseca manda esta carta desde aquí por medio de nosotros de esta gran aventura. Tiana Rosario también. Aquí va, Tiana, saludos para Tiana. Miriam Isla, que Santa Claus le manda un mensaje muy especial aquí desde Finlandia. Muchísimas gracias a todos los que participaron. Aquí vamos, cumpliendo promesas. Que tengan muchas bendiciones. Alright, so we got the main post office for Santa Claus. And check this out. They got the normal mail, which is as soon as possible. And this one goes by Christmas mail. So you receive this for Christmas time. I got this story. One with my daughter. She was like 5 years old or 6 years old. I got in the recording. I wrote up a letter and I sent it over to her. Somehow it got to be posted from the North Pole. She received it and then we went to the classroom and she read it to the kids.
It says, "Dear Natalie, this year has passed so quickly. Christmas is almost here. The reindeer and I can't wait to fly to Florida. You're at the top of my good list again. And we can't wait to visit you and play soon. Having 9 reindeer is a lot of fun and each is great. Dasher is 40, Dancer is great. Dasher is very strong. Vixen is quite handsome."
Natalie, hold your camera down a little bit so we can see your mouth.
And the other one with my son, Juan David, which, you know, we were talking about what Santa Claus wanted to bring him, and then my mom went like, but he knows that Santa Claus does not exist. And he's like, huh? We went all plop, plop. You know, things that happen. And then my son, Santiago Jr., I don't know how did he find out. I love him so much to death. So my 3 kids, Merry Christmas all the time. I love you, Natalie, Juan, and Santi Jr. I love you all very much. From Finland. All right, so we are here at the Polar Circle. Check it out. Heck yeah. Woohoo. They got tourists from all over the world. We're gonna go jumping in the circle. There you go. Jump from one circle to the other. Yeah. That. Yeah. So we're in the Arthur Circle. 663235. See, that's a good thing. We have the whole day. So by 6 o'clock, this place will be empty. And guess what? We're gonna be coming in here with Abuela and taking pictures in between the Polar Circle. I'm gonna jump the circle. Yeah! We are here at Santa Claus Village, enjoying our day. What a day we have. Even though the weather is kind of rainy, but we're having a great time. This right here is the Arctic Circle where we are. We were across the Arctic Circle in Norway and jumping again. I just can't imagine this place during Christmas time when it's snowing. Oh my God, this place should be beautiful over here. I'm so excited. I mean, every day is something new, something good, and something that we can share. I mean, look at this place. I mean, I love it. I mean, it's raining, but hey, you make the best out of it. Look at the flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. We got Santa Claus here. We did it! It's Santa Claus Village! Everything that has to do with Santa Claus is here. This place is where everything is at the North Pole. Alright, Mr. Polar, let's see how tall I am. Okay, let's see how tall I am. Alright, I'm as tall as you. Ho, ho, ho. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Polar bears. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, so with this, I mean, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy our day now. I think if there's anything else, I will turn on the camera and keep sharing with you our day here in Rovaniemi in Finland, the Arctic Circle Santa Claus Village. All right, so we are here at the gift room, and as you can see, many gifts right here. You can see many gifts, and let's see. I'm not gonna pick one. I don't know who that is for right here. I don't know. That one. We got this one over here. We also got this over here in the other room. Come on, follow me. We got them separated by country. Italy, Japan, France. Anyway, so we got so many gifts for you guys. Finland, and I'm getting ready. The Santa Claus is getting ready for this 2023. So don't forget to write your letters. Don't forget to behave very well and be good. And look at all this. Come on, let's go. Look, we got thousands and thousands of gifts already. Wrapping up for this Christmas 2023. We got the office right here. Oh man, this must be a lot of work. All the elves are working. Check them out. All the empty seats. They're all working all over the place now. So our 2023 will be a great Christmas for everyone. Yes. Look, all the elves are working. All right, so as we can see, Santa is working really hard here to get all these gifts going for everybody around the world. So bueno, mi gente, después de varias horas de estar aquí en el Santa Claus Village Center en Finland, mis impresiones son mágicas. Every time I travel, I try to go to these places like this. They're magical. They inspire. They give you new hope. They're probably, you know, more tourists than anything else. Yes, of course, but it's all depends. It's up to you. I mean, to believe. Santa Claus. Hey, I know it's Christmas and everybody. Oh, Santa Claus. Yeah, it's money. You make it out of whatever you want, but believe in what you are. Believe in you. Believe in the force that make you do things that you think that they're impossible to do. I never thought that I was going to be here ever in my life. And I set up to say, you know what, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it the right way. We didn't go to Vardo, and we happened to meet somebody from Vardo in Finland, in Norway, which is the last city in the world here in the European continent. How amazing that is. And I happened to meet it right here. Motorbiker from Vardo. Ha. Who can imagine that? I didn't go. The guy says, you know what, you missed a magical place. I probably did, but sometimes you just gotta make your mind on what you want. You know what I mean? We spent a lot of time in Norway, and I think it was enough. And there's more places that we want to go. And you know, money, economics, and start getting to you, and that's when you start saying, okay, I need to cut this part of the trip and go somewhere else. For now, this video and today is a magical day from Claus Village here in Finland. Nos vamos, ciao! I hope you subscribe, comment the video, and hope you like everything that I do, which is leaving memories for my grandsons when they see these videos. They say, Grandpa is crazy. My kids don't think so, but hey, I know my grandkids are going to be crazy too. All right, sending you love. Until next time. Tomorrow we got a long day, 14 hours ride from right here, Rovaniemi, to Sweden, the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. So 14 hours tomorrow, and we will record a little bit here, a little bit there, and probably give you some insights of it. But like I said, I mean, Finland has been great. We met great people, and we got to eat better. No more hot dogs, no more hamburgers. Until now, let's go.